Like I said about maybe 4 or 5 videos ago, I am home and I am cooking some rice and peas, which is complete, and some curry goat. The curry goat was completed like maybe 5-10 minutes ago. So this is the final product. As you can see, it's still hot, steamy. I'm gonna sample it some now. I'm going to eat some right now. Yeah, and enjoy my breakfast slash lunch. Just wake up and say, may I cook this today? Probably we're not gonna delay it till tomorrow, but you know, actually finally do it after delaying for a while. So this is the final product of my cooking some curry goat and rice and peas and chicken.